Going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol CNCE, currently traded at $16.90. A heck of a move here. That's the first thing that I could say when I pulled this one up. Requested over on YouTube. So, as always, we're going to go through it. Over here, I mean, there was this big channel, solid channel trade for so long with right here. And we can put these down here. Just a solid channel going from this area down. Yeah, not as quite, but you guys get the general idea. A solid sideways trading. And Joe's going to tell us about what happened here to cause this big gap. I will note that the gaps here, I mean, I understand that, bigger boards like this trade a little different. And there's times that this gap would never get filled, not necessarily like smaller stocks. So obviously it could definitely keep going. Right now, you guys see where I put that support line. You guys are currently right just about there. 1677, 1679, right in that general area. My personal opinion is that I think where it's at right now, I mean, this is going to be at 11:20 a.m. on 3/6. You guys are still early in the day. There's a very good chance that this thing could get up to 1792 today again. There's not much resistance looking into here. If you look back here, I mean, they're just solid candles in those two areas. There's a good chance that it can just go straight up to that. From there, then you're going to have resistance levels after that to the dollar. I'm sorry, for 1979 area. And you guys are already coming off of that right now, starting to climb through there. So you guys see it all shifting around. I really think they can get up to 1792. We're going to watch how this one plays out. I'm going to hand it over to Joe. There's going to be not too much I can go off this because there's going to be a lot of momentum flying up behind this stock, as Joe said.
All right, so I mean, I'm guessing it's from that sale right there. So they had two press releases today, and the first one was Vertex to acquire CTP 656 from Concert Pharmaceuticals for the treatment of cystic fibrosis. So Vertex to develop CTP 656 for potential use and future combination regimens aimed at treating underlying cause of CF. Concert to receive $160 million in cash with potential for $90 million in future regulatory approval milestone payments. So today they announced that it has signed a definitive asset purchase agreement to acquire. Well, it's Vertex Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. They're the ones that today announced that they signed a definitive asset purchase agreement to acquire the CTP 656 from Concert Pharmaceuticals. Is an investigational cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator potentiator that has the potential to be used as part or future once daily combination regimens of CFTR modulators that treat the underlying cause of cystic fibrosis. As part of the agreement, Vertex pay Concert $160 million in cash for all worldwide development and commercialization rights to CTP 656. If CTP 656 is approved as part of a combination regimen to treat CF, Concert could receive up to an additional $90 million in milestones based on regulatory approval in the U.S. and reimbursement in the U.K., Germany, or France. The agreement is subject to approval by Concert shareholders and the expiration of the waiting period under the Hart-Scott-Rodino Antitrust Improvements Acts. Concert's board of directors unanimously supports the transaction and recommends that Concert's shareholders vote in favor of it. So it's that. And then the other one that they put out today was their year end. So Concert Pharmaceuticals reports year end ended at 2016 financial results. So that's all there for everybody if you want to go and look at it. They put the recent business highlights and upcoming milestones. So I mean it's fairly long. So if you're interested in doing some due diligence on it, that's probably the press release you want to go and check out because it's got their full year 2016 financial results right there within it. And then they have a conference call. Well, it's a conference. It was today at 8:30 a.m. So I mean, obviously that concert call or the conference call went well. So that is pretty much that. I mean, if you have an opinion or you're looking to research more into this company, just basically type in the CRNE board right in the right-hand corner of Investors Hangout. And from there you could, CNCE, sorry. From there you could basically go and research the company's recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating, the time and sales, the company profile, And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right, awesome. Like Joe said, I mean, obviously, something, to keep that momentum up, I'm sure that call went well. For sure. So you guys see it, like I said, for everybody that started watching this in the beginning, it's going to be that momentum play right now, 316. Current price was at 1675. Watch for resistance at 1679, 1792, and 1979. Support at 1554, 1398, 1215, and $11. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a range. And like I said, at that 1675, I said that if that fell, $18 at that 1792 would come quick. And as I'm talking, looking at rally right up to that 1730. You guys are well over that point, just already up 50 cents since we started looking at it. When I said once it broke that candle, it'd go, because there wasn't too much resistance back here in the area from January and September of 2015. You guys are it's still in that area of then. There's not much going on there. That's why you guys can rally up through there for the day trade, intratrade, however you want to trade, right? CNCE, if you follow this and you like this video, if you feel like this video helped you at all, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock other than CNCE that you would like to see us go over, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there. We'll take your hot stock and add it to our list of